Okay, coming to the testimonial section. As you can see on the screen right now, I have created a 3-column layout once again, and here I have added some elements like text, image, name, and designation. This complete element can be grouped and can be called as testimonials widget. This is what we get from testimonial widgets. We have covered counters and we have covered progress bars. Now let's see testimonial widget. If you drag it here and drop it here, and you can see this is the default one. You can update the text, appreciate the service and quality of work done on time, right? And then you can update the image. Okay, or else this image is not fitting fine, so we can make it this one, and then John Doe, and then designer or his designation, title, name, and you can also link them to their Facebook or Instagram link URLs, right? And then image position can be on top or can be aside, right? These are the two options that we have. And then you can change alignment, right alignment, center alignment, left alignment based on the requirement. And then if you go to styles, then we have options to style the content, that is this text description, and then we have style option for this image that we have used. We can increase or decrease the size of this image, and then border type, border radius we have, and then we have option to style the name color, and then typography. And we have option for title, this design part. We can make it slightly visible, and then we can again change the typography, font family, and font weight, all those things. And if we go to content, we can change colors of that as well, and typography again. Right? And now for the image, size of the image and radius, border radius, whatever you can say. And if we go to advanced, again we have padding, margin, padding, let's say 20. And if I add some border, it will look beautiful. Say border type solid, and if I add width for 1, then it looks a bit neater. If I click on update, let's see how it looks. Now scroll down. Right, this is how it will look